I'm standing on the #1 Sea Ray 500 that you will ever see in your life. This boat has been babied since day one, boathouse kept. It is in immaculate condition. Come on, let's take a look. Hey, I'm Colby Vaughn with M&P Yacht Center down here in Vancouver, Canada. This is a 2005 Sea Ray 500 Sundancer that is pristine. Starting on the back deck here, we've got the hydraulic platform that drops into the water. Teak throughout. You can see how nice the condition is of the teak. We've got a great storage lazarette area here. And as we pop on, you start to feel the size of the boat. So it's almost 55 feet. Length overall, huge social space here. Anybody who's seen any of my other videos, I'm 6'6", so there is 7 feet plus of headroom in this area in here. So in the cockpit area, you've got great socializing space again. We've got a nice refrigeration system, ice maker, a little bit of storage there, and a tabletop sink. This chair rotates into lounge mode if you like. Moving forward, we've got this great captain's chair here at the helm, upgraded Raymarine touchscreens, so not the originals, have been updated. We've got autopilot, dual multifunction displays here, anchor chain, autopilot remote, VHF radio, bow and stern thrusters on this boat. So you can put it anywhere you want. This boat actually has the upgraded MAN engines on it, so it's a super high performing boat. Shaft drive, great maintenance records, coolers have been done, heat exchangers have been done, bottom painted and prop speeded, really ready to go. It also has a water maker, satellite TV on it as well. So anything you could possibly want for cruising in the summer, this boat has it, and we're ready to go. Let's go take a look downstairs. Again, tons of headroom in the boat. So great layout for socializing if you have friends and family. We've got a pull-out bed down here. You can sleep a couple people in a pinch. But if you want to lounge and watch TV, we've got the TV and stereo set up here. Great place to hang out if you are just a couple. But if you do want to have some lunch or dinner down here, you can pull out the ottomans as well, and they tuck right underneath the seat here and the table. Little bar arrangement here, so you can have some bars and some drinks. Your 12 and 24 volt systems, 120 volt, and then all the electronics, water maker controls up here on the boat. Moving forward, we've got the really nice light interior. It gives it a modern feel. It doesn't have the dark traditional cherry Sea Ray feel. 2-burner electric stove on the boat. The Panasonic microwave convection oven here, so you can use it as a regular oven if you do want to. And then we've got the big fridge freezer combos here, stainless steel sink. As we move forward, double bunks here to port. They're larger than a single berth, which is really nice, not quite a double. They share the ensuite head here, guest head here. And as we move forward, you get into the owner's cabin, V-berth up forward with their own dedicated head as well. The boat does come with a set of spare props. They're stored here. I'll just give you a quick view of those as well. So it's a nice set of spare props with the boat and spare parts and tools as well. Okay. We'll go check out the bow up front. Huge bow space on this boat. Nice big sun lounger with some cup holders up there. Spotlight, anchor on windlass with full chain. Nice place to store your fenders as well. Anything you want for cruising the coast this summer. I'm Colby Vaughn with M&P Yacht Center in downtown Vancouver. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe.